Hi guys, welcome to my channel Vaigri's Vibes. Today I'm here to say to you all about a person who made inspire us all. A person who led the freedom fight. While before I say who is the person, just guess. Yes, I know that you got the answer. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, who is famously referred as Mahatma Gandhi. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose referred him as the father of nation for his relentless struggles for our independence. Though he left us on 30th January 1948, the world still celebrates his birth anniversary as Gandhi Jayanti. Today is his 152nd birth anniversary, and we are here to revisit the principles which he led his life and fought for independence. He wrote many books, including My Truth Seeking Experiments. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated every year on 2nd October to pay a tribute to him, who devoted his life to India's independence by using his strongest weapon, non-violence. Every year, Gandhi Jayanti is feasted at Rajghat, Delhi, and our Prime Minister, along with the President of India, gathers here to pay the tribute by offering flowers to his Samadhi. Also, his favorite song Raghupati Raghava Raja Ram is sung for him. All the schools, colleges, private offices and government organization remains closed on this national holiday. He was born in Porbandar in the state of Gujarat in 1869. Mahatma Gandhi's greatest weapon against the British forces was non-violence. His ideas of ahimsa inspired millions of people to fight against the oppressor through peaceful demonstration and protest. The intention behind the mass movement was to educate people about the struggle for freedom, making it difficult for the Britishers to react to such events. The United Nations General Assembly on June 15, 2007 voted October 2nd, Mahatma Gandhi's birthday, to be observed as the International Day of Non-Violence. Swadeshi movement was another important tool of non-violence against the British oppressors used by Mahatma Gandhi. It became the basis for India's nationalism. The concept of satyagraha was introduced by Mahatma Gandhi in 1906 7. It was an attempt to being a determined but non-violent resistance to evil, taking place in South Africa against the compulsory registration and passes for Indians. The same became an important part of the freedom struggle of India. Mahatma Gandhi described it as the soul of Swaraj, self-rule. Also known as the Make in India campaign, it was officially declared on August 7, 1905 at the Calcutta Town Hall in Bangal. Gandhiji done 4 satyagraha. One of them is the Champaran Satyagraha of 1916. Dandi March was a peaceful demonstration started by Gandhiji against the British salt monopoly. The civil disobedience movement lasted for 24 days from 12th March 1930 to 5th April 1930. Mahatma Gandhi dedicated all his life in the service of his country and his people. He paved the way forward for the future of generations to come and inspire millions along the way. Although he left the world, his teachings, lessons, and philosophies continue to resonate in our hearts. He placed his confidence in the youth of this country and strongly believed in their determination and dedication to strengthen the country. Thank you.